Swiggy is giving free gift for everyone. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all good. आप कैसे हो? Well, thanks guys one. Thank you for all your support. Thank you so much. As you all know, Swiggy Instamart is a store that provides us with the grocery and daily essentials to its customers' home. So as you see in the picture, these were some of my purchases of grocery on Swiggy Instamart. The order value is 1000 rupees, and only when you place an order of 1000 rupees you will get a gift from Swiggy Instamart. But make sure this 1000 rupees order value should be after you apply the coupons. Now it's time for unboxing gift box from Swiggy Instamart. Yes, shall we go for it? Here comes the gift box from Swiggy Instamart. This is how the box is. It's a cardboard box. It's an attractive super color box. See, here are the items you have got in gift box. First comes Choco Pie. It's 10 rupees. You have to taste this. It's a strawberry flavor. It's soft and it has got strawberry filling inside. It's like a small cake. It's yummy. You can just go for it. Next comes Wow Shampoo. This is an onion shampoo for hair wash. It's a sample pack and the rate is not mentioned because it is a sample product. The third is Paradon Tax, a toothpaste that is given for gum problems. As you see in the picture, you can scan QR code for offers and rewards or deals. But if you don't know how to scan QR code, I'll provide a video in the I button and end screen. You can watch it. This is a sample product, hence MRP is not given on this product. Moving on to the next product. Here comes Unibig cookies. It has got chocolate filling inside. It's 10 rupees. It's a pack of 3. It's yummy and affordable. You can go for it. Okay, we'll go for the next one. Here comes energy drink. This is non-alcoholic and it is 250 ml. Price is 30 rupees. And the last comes Mom's Magic cookies. It costs 40 rupees. It's a pack of 6 and it has got butter filling. And Mom's Magic is super delicious. So here ends the gift items that are in the gift box of Swiggy Instamart. If you like the gift box and you want one from Swiggy Instamart, I'll tell you how you have to place your order on Swiggy Instamart. Go to Swiggy app, click on Instamart. Right on the home page, you'll see here Mega Savings Festival that is going on right now. And you will see here flat 100 rupees and surprise gift box. You click on that. You order from here whatever you want. You've got top deals. You can check out, choose your products or add products to the cart as shown in the picture. Then go to view cart and you have to apply the coupon here. You click on apply coupon and apply SAVEBIG as shown in the picture or any other coupon that is visible over there if you want. And after applying coupon, make sure that your order value is 1000 rupees. Here my order value is 1040 as you see in the picture. And click on make payment. That's it. Your order is placed along with the gift box. Now after placing the order, you can go to your orders and check the items that are in order. Along with the items you have ordered, you will have one gift box being added to your order as shown in the picture. If at all you see there's no gift box added to your order, then you can cancel the order then and there and place a fresh order again. That's it for today. If you like the gift box video of Swiggy Instamart, do encourage me with a subscribe and a like and a share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling. Have a good day.